How about a fun unboxing today? This is my wellness box for July. So I'm going to share with you some of the things that I've ordered that I think you might be interested in. Hand dishwash concentrate. This stuff's amazing. Just a few drops. You can do a whole bunch of dishes. Secondly, protein. We're doing Protein Power Week this month. We're going to be educating you on how much protein you need for the different stages you are in life, especially if you're over 40, perimenopause, menopause. There's some new rules for us, evidence-based. That's all we share, science, evidence-based, but tips and tricks and tools. And one of these tools in my toolkit is this Meal in a Bar by Shaklee, and it is 20 grams of protein. Great when you're traveling. Got a couple of those. Snack bars, need a snack. 9 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber. Very good. For my healthy aging and energy Vitalizer women, this is amazing product, very comprehensive. It comes with all those supplements in a daily strip that you take, including a probiotic, antioxidants, B and C, and your multi, the most researched, created by the company that created the first multivitamin over 100 years ago. So this is wonderful, but the most important is the bioavailability. Like, you can take all kind of supplements, but if they're not being absorbed into your bloodstream, then are they even working? So this is where Shaklee has multiple patents on our delivery systems, making sure that each product breaks down in the right place in our system. So great, I love these. I ordered these for a client of mine who is having some iron deficiencies, and so women's multivitamin with iron, really good place to start. So we're going to give that a try for her. All products money back guaranteed. Now, you know, I've been sharing Shaklee products for years and years, over 30 years. Well, Shaklee acquired a company called Modere, and they're known for their liquid collagen, their BioCell. And so we have that. I have that coming in another order. I've been taking both the trim and the wife, and so far loving them. One, they taste good. Two, the science behind them is very impressive. And number 3 is I notice more energy. As a matter of fact, I'm getting my dad started on some of that life. He just ordered last night to work on healthy aging and joint health and aches and pains, all the good things. Now, here's a new product I have not tried from Modere, and I'm pretty excited to give it a try. It's a 3-day cleanse. And from what I understand, it is, you just take these little powders, 1 a day, and you're done in 3 days. You don't have to change your diet or anything like that. So I don't know how it's gonna work. I don't even really know what's behind it, other than I see it's got some really good ingredients when I look at the packaging, but they're buy one, get one. And I thought, hey, I'll give it a try, see how it works. So it says it will naturally eliminate toxins, rejuvenate cellular health, and ignite digestive energy. So I'm all for that. And here's another Modere product that I'm trying that I found to be very convenient when I went on my trip to Disney this week. And that are these collagen chews, because you typically keep the liquid collagen by Modere. You keep it in the refrigerator, and then you take a spoon every morning and night. So these little chews are, they're good for travel. And not only that, they taste like a Tootsie Roll. It's kind of the same texture, the same chew, the same taste. I didn't cut that quite well enough. There we go. Maybe I can get into this package while we're on camera. So there you go. You take 2 of these a day. And these, it says on the package, has the liquid BioCell collagen and hyaluronic acid. Scientifically formulated. It's an award-winning ingredient, clinically shown to promote healthy aging, active joints, and younger looking skin. So I'm all in for all of that. How about you? These are also buy one, get one. So I don't know how long those deals are going to last, so be sure to check out my website, wellnessplans.net. That is my Shaklee storefront that also carries Modere now. And but I really prefer, if you'd like, a consultation. My consultations are free, and what we do is we just match you with the right products that you can put in your wellness toolkit. And I also invite you to join our book club this month, Forever Strong. We're reading by Dr. Gabrielle Lyon. It's all about the science of aging well, and protein and muscle. So what roles do those play? And the second thing we have going on is Protein Power Week. And so be sure to join us for Protein Power Week, where we're going to educate you on everything you need to know about protein at this stage of life that you are in, especially if you're over 40, you're a woman in perimenopause or menopause. Important tips and tricks and things to help you just feel better and age well. That's what we want, right? All the links for everything that I offer, my easiest way to find everything is carlaclayton.com, C-A-R-L-A, Clayton, C-L-A-Y-T-O-N.com. And there's all my links. Everything, like if you want to buy Modere, you click Modere. You want to buy Shaklee, you click Shaklee. You want to join the Protein Power Week, you click that. You want to join the book club, you click that. It's all there. Take care. Have an amazing day.